This is Miss Sanders' 7th period World History class, and you're watching Rider News!
What's up, Rough Riders? Thank you to our Rough Rider classrooms for starting this week's episode of Rider News. My name is Alyssa, and let's get started. First up, we have our Rider News team reporting on location at various Spirit Week activities, including Homecoming Assembly. Listen up and watch as our Rough Riders show their homecoming vibes and competitive spirit with their performances.
Stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we
Thank you to everyone who made our Spirit Week memorable. Up next, we have a profile on this year's homecoming parade and football game. Let's see what's going on.
And he's still looking for something, gets it up before he gets hit. And third down, 3 yards to go to bring it home. There's a snap to the man again outside, and he's got it.
Thank you to our football team for their entertaining victory last night. Lastly, we have a quick wrap-up on our homecoming dance and thoughts on next year's Spirit Week parade and dance.
Hi, who are we here with today?
Allie Callahan.
So, what was your favorite part of the dance this year?
Probably just I don't know, actually, at least there's free water.
Okay, and what do you think could improve, in the next few years going?
That we could actually wear shoes.
Definitely. So, who are we here with?
Jacob Burkhart.
So, what was your favorite part of the dance this year?
All of the people and hanging out with them.
Love that. And how do you think it could improve in the next few years?
The DJ.
Okay, thank you. So, who are we here with?
Juno Simonson.
Good, good. Okay, so what was your favorite part of the dance this year?
Bustin' a move.
And how do you think it could improve in the next few years?
I'm gonna have to go with the DJ actually being able to be understood by the crowd.
Awesome. Okay, thank you. So now that we're talking about homecoming, what do you guys think would be your Dream Spirit Week activity theme?
Dress as your type.
What did you do about?
Bazinga.
Okay. And what would your Dream Spirit Week activity be?
Ultimate hide and seek.
Probably ultimate tag. I'm gonna have to go with Nerf War.
Awesome.
Low-key tough. Low-key tough.
That's it from us at Rider News. Thank you to everyone who helped make this week's episode possible. Until next time, be well, be kind, study hard, and ride on, Rough Riders.